Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button to join our crypto fam and stay updated on all crypto matters. As you know guys, the crypto airdrop field is full of new potentials. In this particular video, we will be talking about the new Tether Airdrop. Tether Airdrop has conducted a new airdrop to all its users. If you hold USDT or have decent activities on Tether, you will be eligible to receive USDT tokens. For example, if you hold Tether stablecoin USDT, you will receive 5% of your holdings immediately. As usual, you will find all the resources to the airdrop event in both the links in the description and the comments section. Now, talking about the project itself, Tether USDT is what's known as a stablecoin, a cryptocurrency designed to provide a stable price point at all times. The USDT cryptocurrency was created by Tether Limited to function as the internet's digital dollar, with each token worth $1 USD and backed by $1 USD in physical reserves. Tether is used by millions of blockchain users daily to trade, hedge, and transact on various blockchain networks without needing a trusted third-party intermediary. Finally, guys, don't let this airdrop opportunity slip through your fingers, as it could be a game changer for your crypto portfolio. Happy claiming, guys, and see you soon.